Well, I'm going to get out here, cut a little grass, not much, because it's supposed to rain. I just want to get my front yard, but I wanted to see if these, I don't think they are. There was a bird's nest and the birds were able to fly. I think they're gone. Well, I couldn't tell, but I'm pretty sure they're gone. I think it was an empty bird's nest. So let's go crank up this grass cutter. It's got gas in it. It's got gas in it. this could probably stand the cutting too, but I'm going to let it go another cut. Because in the backyard it doesn't really matter, I don't guess. That scared me. All right, one thing I'm thinking I need to do and take care of is up here where our potatoes and onions are. See all the sun over there? Those aren't getting any sun, and they're probably not because of these big oak trees. So I think I'm going to try to make a spot over here. I got to move a few things, but I think I can figure it out. Well, all right, I've moved 3 of the 4 potatoes. One of them really wasn't growing much. I'll just leave it over there. But these 3 potatoes are really doing good. Now, I kind of have to leave this area open so we can get to our hose. I'm not really sure what we'll do. I'll just wait till Mel gets home and see what we can do with the onions. They could just put them down there. I don't think it's gonna really matter that much. Even if I just put them back in there, you know, they're gonna get twice as much sun as they did over there. In fact, I think I'll bring 2 of the onions on over here and just stick them out there in the middle. We'll see what happens. Actually, move this thing for now. All right, so I got 3 potato plants. This one's got 5 growing, that one's got 5, and this one has 4. And I was about to dig it up, but I could feel the little thing right there, so we'll just kind of dig that out. And then 2 onion plants. I moved our mint here. This isn't fresh planted mint, it's just stuff that we had that was just growing. And we had some real bad storms the other day, and her blueberry bushes were putting out some blueberries and it knocked the ones off the top. So anyway, so that is a little bit of life at 60 for Jerry. It's always something to do. I knew it was low, so let's put a charge on it. Brand new battery. That's the way it goes. Well, I'm glad I got all that done yesterday, because it has rained all day long today. We're in just a little bit of a break. Look at Melody's roses. Wow. Some kind of bug flying around there. Some of these will have to be changed. That one, I guess that one's mine. But my onions, one of them's back there, but they're doing good. Looks like this potato has just grown overnight. But yeah, I am glad I got that done yesterday. Grass looks good. You know, that is just a really pretty rose she's got growing out here. Bug. Not sure if that is, I guess that's wind. It's gotten cold out here. I'm gonna have to go back in, but this is Jerry, life at 60. Always something to do. And you know what you find out once you get to retirement, I made a plan for myself to try to retire early. And it took a while to get used to it. But you find out that you will always stay busy. There's always something to do. And guess what? It's stuff that you want to do. It's stuff that you probably put off for years, like I did. So anyway, subscribe to the channel. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you did. And we'll see you next time on Living Life with Jerry and Mel. Take care.